Right there is the remote, and in order to change the battery for it, first behind the remote, notice there's that switch. We'll need to press that switch down and then slide the key outwards, just like that. We will keep the key aside for now, and notice the point where we took out that key from. There is some space there. I will be using a screwdriver like this. You can also use any random screwdriver as well. What we do is we punch in the screwdriver there. While holding the screwdriver like that, just make sure the button portion is towards downside, and while keeping the button portion downwards, we will punch in the screwdriver right there. Then tilt the screwdriver until both the covers are separated, just like that. That is how we take out the top cover, and notice right there is our battery. I'll just turn it the other way just to show you guys what kind of battery it is. Now notice on top there is that spot right there. We'll just punch in our finger and then pull out the battery. There it is. That is how we take out the battery for this remote, and this is the kind of battery needed for this car. In my case, the battery is good, so I'll be installing it back, but in your case, if you have a new battery and you want to install it back, just make sure the plus sign on the battery actually stays at the top. Now we will go ahead and punch in the battery back in the remote. Again, we make sure the plus sign stays at the top. We'll gently slide in the battery. Notice in the remote portion there are some tabs. 1, 2, then 3, and then the fourth one here. So make sure while we are punching in the battery, all those tabs are grabbing it. Just like that, you notice all of those tabs are covering the battery in the surrounding. Before punching in the top cover, just make sure this module portion is completely in and it's not coming out. Seems like it is completely in, because sometimes while replacing the battery, the module does move out a little bit. In this case, it seems good. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the top cover. We place the top cover from the top side and making sure it's aligned from all over the edges. Once all the edges are aligned, only then we press both sides against each other until they are completely in. Just making sure from all over the edges it is completely in, and it seems like it's all good. Now we're good to go ahead and slide in the key. With the key in place, this wraps up our replacement process. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.